Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Should I thaw frozen hash browns before cooking? As with any other ingredients, it's recommended to thaw hash browns before cooking. Cooking them frozen will cause the heat to spread unevenly and your hash browns might cook from the outside, while the inside remains frozen. Cooking them frozen might also result in them becoming too mushy and/or watery. Why are my frozen hash browns mushy? They'll taste a lot better. Plus, frozen hash browns contain a lot of excess moisture. Without thawing them beforehand, that moisture ends up in your dish and your hash browns turn out wet and mushy instead of crispy and crunchy. How do you fix soggy hash browns? Let the potatoes sit in the water for at least 15 minutes, for best results overnight. The water will remove all the excess starch from the potatoes and will solve any graying issues and will give you crispier potatoes as well. Can you defrost potatoes in the microwave? Microwave. Remove frozen potatoes from the bag and place in a microwave-safe dish. Cover the dish to keep in some of the steam, and heat them on 50% power for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Thawed potatoes can be heated the same way, but using less time. How do you cook frozen store-bought hash browns? To prepare frozen hash browns quickly, try cooking them in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, flipping them with a spatula every 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown and crispy. You don't have to be a breakfast person to appreciate a hash brown side dish.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.